Recently, I've seen this type of anime reels trending across social media, especially Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube Shorts, making millions of views in just some few days. So I made my own research about these videos, and after making this research, I got to know that you can actually create these videos with just 4 AI tools, and they are easy to create, copyright-free videos, and also attention grabbing videos. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through how to create this entire anime reels step by step in just a few minutes. So to create this type of videos, we are going to follow the map we have on the screen. So the first thing we are going to do is to generate our image for the video. We are going to use two different methods to generate the images. The first is to get an inspiration from YouTube. So come to your YouTube homepage and look for one of the animes that inspires you, and you simply screenshot the anime that inspires you and save it on your computer. We are going to head over to ChatGPT, click on the upload files and more, and upload the image that you just screenshot from YouTube. So I'm going to click on this and then click on open. So now ask ChatGPT, what type of image style is this? And click on the command button. So you can see ChatGPT has given us a feedback about this type of image. The next thing I'm going to do is to go in with a second prompt and ask ChatGPT, give me an image prompt to generate a similar image. So I'm going to click on the command button and see what ChatGPT is going to give me. So this is a prompt ChatGPT gave me to generate this type of image or this style of image. So what I'm going to do is to click on copy, highlight everything, click on copy, and use an AI generative tool to generate the image to see whether we are going to get a similar image or get something closer to that. With this, I'm going to use Leonardo AI to do that. So to access Leonardo, open to your browser and type Leonardo in the search. Click on the first link. Now click on the get started for free button. You will need to sign in if you already have an account, but if you do not have an account, then you need to sign up with your email account. Now click on the image creation button, then come to the model or the preset, click on it like this, scroll through and look for anime. So you're going to click on the anime like this. Then the style should be anime in general, and then also the contrast should be high. Close here and come to the description section and paste your prompt ChatGPT gave you. So let's go back to ChatGPT, right click on your prompt, click on copy, then go back to Leonardo AI and paste your prompt here. Before you click on the generate button, bring your cursor here and select an image dimension. So with this, we're going to choose click on the more and choose any of the image dimensions available. So you can choose either 9:16 aspect ratio, which is for reels or shorts. So click on that, then click on the number of images you want at a go. We are going to go with a 4. Then click on the generate button to generate your image. So here you see when I copy the prompt ChatGPT provided for me and paste it in Leonardo AI to generate my image, some of the content or the words in the prompt violated the policy here. So in case you experience something like this, what you can do is to just copy the feedback you got from Leonardo like this, click on copy and then go back to ChatGPT, then paste it in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, this is the feedback I had when I tried to create the image with the prompt you provided. So ChatGPT asked me, could you share the feedback you received? That way I can refine the prompt to better match what you are aiming for. I copy the feedback Leonardo provided for me and paste it in ChatGPT. Content moderated due to referencing shooting in the child context. Please modify this and try again. So now you can see ChatGPT has modified the prompt, and that is what I copied and pasted here to generate these images. So this is what you do when you are facing challenges like this. Now let's go to the second method of creating your image prompt. Second method is by crafting your image prompt and asking ChatGPT to enhance the prompt for you. So I'm going to copy this prompt and ask ChatGPT to paraphrase it for me. So I'm going to hit on the generate button and wait for ChatGPT to paraphrase the prompt for me. So now that we have our prompt ready, what we are going to do is to copy the prompt and use the Leonardo AI to generate the next image. So let's copy this and go back to Leonardo, right click on it, click on copy, then go back to Leonardo and paste your prompt here. We want to see if the next image we are going to generate is going to be something more stunning. So right click inside the prompt box and click on the paste button and maintain all the settings that you have already done here and click on the generate button to generate your next set of images. Great, so you can see the images Leonardo have provided for us. We can select one of these images, preview it first, and then go to the images and select one of the images to use. So most of these anime reels that I have seen are reels like this that are trending all over social media. So now what we're going to do is to use another AI tool to generate the same type of image to compare the two images before we select one. So for the next AI generative tool that I'm going to use to generate this image is Piclume AI. So go to your browser and type Piclume AI in the search. Click on the first link. Now click on the generate for free button. Come to this section and go back to ChatGPT, copy your prompt like this and go back to Piclume AI, paste your prompt in the description section here. Now bring your cursor to the model and select one of the models to use. So with this I'm going to use the Flux one, then choose the aspect ratio. So with this aspect ratio, since we are creating this video for reels or shorts, we are going to use the 9:16 aspect ratio. Don't forget to select the number of images you want by clicking on either 1 or 2. So I'm going to click on 2 since that's the highest available for those on the free plan. Now click on the generate button and wait for Piclume AI to generate your image for you. So we are going to compare the two images from these two different generative tools and see which one give us the best of images to use. So let's see. So this is the first one Piclume provided, and this is the next one. So we have two images. Now let's go back to Leonardo and also check their images. So I can see the two images or the two generative tools are perfect. We can use any of these images for our video. So I'm going to just select one. I don't even know which one to select, but I'm going to select this one. I'm going to go with the one with the silhouette. Let's go back to Piclume. So this Piclume 2 and go back to Leonardo. So I'm going to select one of the images from Leonardo AI. So click on the download button and download your image. So we only need one image for this type of video. So now that we have our image ready, the next thing we are going to do is to bring our image to life by animating the image. So we are going to use the Halo AI to do that. So go to your browser and type Halo AI. Now click on the first link, then click on the create button to start generating your animation. To import the image we generated with the Leonardo AI, click on the icon here and select the image. So there's the image. Click on the open button and import it to Halo AI. Now this you can choose the camera angle. You can click on the camera and choose the camera angle that you want to use, but I'm not going to select any camera angle. I'm going to leave it like this. So what I'm going to do is to go and copy my corresponding prompt and paste it here. So let's go back to ChatGPT and click on copy the prompt you used to generate this image and go back to Halo AI, paste the prompt here and then click on the create button to generate your animation for this video. This is going to take a while because we are on the free plan, but if you want it fast, then you have to go for the premium plan or go for the paid version so that you can be able to work fast. So as you can see, this is going to take me about 43 minutes before I can be able to get the animation. That is what you get if you're on the free plan. While we wait for our animation to be generated, let's move to the next step. The next step is to generate a background music for this video. So for the background music, come back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me a background music suggestion that I can generate with AI. So I'm going to click on the send button or the command button and wait for ChatGPT to do that for me. So these are some of the possible AI tools that I can use to generate the music: Suno AI, Boomy, or Sounddraw. So for this, I'm going to use the Suno AI to do that. So go to your browser and type Suno AI. Now click on the first link and click on the create button. Now on Suno AI, you have a custom button that you can either put it on or put it off. For this video, we are going to put it off for Suno AI to generate the entire music for us. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the music suggestion or the music style. So this is a description. Click on copy and go back to Suno AI and paste the description here. So I'm going to click on paste. So now you can see the description is more than the 200 characters required here. So what I'm going to do is to go back to ChatGPT to reduce the description to 200 characters. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to reduce this to 200 characters. Hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT to do that for us. So now we're going to copy this, right click on it, click on copy, go back to Suno AI, delete the previous one and paste the current description. For this music generation, it's going to be purely instrumental, so I'm going to put the instrumental button on and click on the create button and wait for Suno AI to generate the music for us. Now our music is ready and you can see Suno AI has generated 2 versions of this song for us. You can preview the 2 and select one of this song to use. So I'm going to click on the play button and play to see how it sounds. So this is how the first one sounds. Let's try the second one. Great, I can see both are good, so I'm going to just select one of these and use. So let me go with the second one. Click on the 3 dots by the music and click on the download button, then choose MP3 and download that onto your computer. After downloading your music to your computer, go back to Halo AI to check whether your animation has been created for you. After creating your animation, preview it and click on the download button here and download that to your drive. Now that we have our animation ready and we also have our background music ready, the next step we are going to take is to put these 2 footages together using an editing app of our choice. So you can use any editing app of your choice. For this video, we are going to use CapCut to do that. Open to CapCut, create project and click on import button and import the footages to CapCut. So I'm going to click on my background music and also click on my footage and click on open and import that to CapCut. Now start by adding your background music to your timeline. Just tap on it and drag and drop it, or just use the add to drag button to add it to your timeline. Now you can go ahead and add your video clip to your timeline by tapping on it, drag and drop it on your timeline. Usually this type of videos is just about 10 seconds, so you can say this one is 5 seconds. What I'm going to do is to duplicate it so that we can get 2 duplicates on the timeline. Now you can bring your pointer to the end of the video here and use the delete to right button to delete the excess. Let me show you something. Anytime you upload a background music or you add a background music to your track and you see these yellow signs on the background, it's just an indication that part of this song is too high for your video. So what you can do is to reduce or adjust the volume by using the volume button. So just tap on your background music like this and use the volume button to reduce the volume. So you can see the moment I started dragging or reducing the volume, that yellow dot on the bars here has vanish or is no more showing. That means your music is now adjustable or is now good for people to be able to cope with it. Playing the music, I realize there's a dead end here, so I'm going to bring my pointer here and use the delete to left button to delete the excess. Now shift it. The video is going to be shortened here, so we have to drag from the left to the right to make sure it matches the video clip on the timeline. So now we can try and play it again and see how it sounds. Great, this is very easy to create, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the export button and rename the file with the appropriate name, and then export the video with the highest resolution available. So when you click on the resolution, we see we have 4K as the highest available, so let's go with that. So maintain the higher bit rate and also maintain the MP4 format, and make sure you always export the video in 30 frame rate and click on the export button and export the video to your computer. This is how easy it is to create this type of videos. Now you can go ahead and upload a video on your YouTube channel and share the video with the entire world and sit back and wait for what will happen next. So what do you like about this particular video? Is it something that you're going to give it a try? Let me know that in the comment section, and also give this video a like if you found value in this video, and subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. So then, if you have not watched my previous video on how to create Bible animated video, that video will pop up after watching this video. Click on it, go and watch and share your comment or your thought about the video in the comment section. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.